glass tube filled with a little bit of salt under static vacuum right now. And now I'm going to flame seal it off. And I decided to film this with the infrared camera, mostly to see when I'm finished the residual heat at the top of the tube relative to everything else. So the first thing is just to warm up the tube. At this point, the infrared camera should be off the scale because this is, again, a fuel oxygen torch. I'm going to sharpen up my flame. You don't want to have a sharp piece of glass at the top of the tube. Alright. So now, what I'm very interested in is to see the relative amount of heat here versus at the bottom of the tube. Because obviously glass is an insulator. If the heat was transferring the way metal conducts heat, the sample inside would, of course, be completely destroyed. And of course, hot glass looks like cold glass. And here you can see it's off the charts. And then it's much cooler. I'm not going to touch any of this, obviously. And this is, by the way, the other thing you always have to be very aware of course, is this is the piece that I sealed off, and you can see it is glowing hot. And it's going to remain this way for several minutes.